Hi guys, this is Gaurang and this is day 2 of 100 days of question practice. Let's get started. Here is the question. Yeah, task. The provided code stub reads two integers from stdin stdin a and b. Add code to print three lines where first line contains the sum of the two numbers. Second line contains the difference of the two numbers. First, second. The third line contains the product of the two numbers. Let me think. First line contains sum of two numbers. Second line contains the difference of two numbers. Okay. We'll take F string and A plus B. That's it. Print F string A minus B. Print F string A into B. Let's run this code. Wrong answer. What's the problem? Let's find it. The format print three lines explained above. Input. First line contains first integer, second line contains second integer. Hmm. Okay. Print three lines as explained above. Into plus fire minus into. Okay. Let's check this in my VS Code. Let's run this. My laptop is hanging. My laptop is lagging now. Find run of file. Now let's run it.
ब्लूटूथ ऑफ कर दे। ब्लूटूथ।
Oh yeah, that's the problem. What am I doing? So let's run it there. It's a simple and very easy problem. My laptop is lagging very much. Hmm. Now let's check it. It will be 100% correct. Yes. Now submit the code. Today class is very easy. Can we do the next challenge? Let's do the next challenge. Only one, huh? Okay. Task. Provided code. Provided code A and B with two integers. Add logic to print two lines. Okay. The first line should contain result of Acha. Okay. The second line contain the result of float division. Okay. No rounding formatting is necessary. Okay. In first one, we have to result. We have to show the result, not also the answer. We have to also show the result of the integer division and the float division. Hmm. It's easy. It's very easy. Okay. And let's save this print. Okay. Let's submit the code. Okay. So, yes, thanks. See how I did the two questions of the hacker rank. I completed the day two. Okay, goodbye.